This is another elevator at the Hugh condos or apartments or whatever in Raleigh, North Carolina. There's another KONE EcoDisc with a KSS 500. Up to 6. This one does not serve 7. Interesting. Here we go up. This one, the door rattles very loudly. Here's 6. Oh. Back down to 1. The brake is also pretty loud. Ground. I'm not going to go down the ground because I thought I heard someone down there. 8A phone, emergency light. Elevator 3. I think elevator 1 is on the other side of the building. Basic snow stick hat. This one does not have as nice a cab as the elevator 2. Certificate. This was installed in 2009, so it's actually much older than I thought this building was. There we go. Here, back at 1. Closest, and that's gonna be it.